Okay, so in this video I will show you how you easily can make a log when you hit the tree. So let's get started. I have two ugly sprites here. I will put them in the description if you want to use them. So I will create the tree. Just drag this here. And tree. Yes. We'll change the background color just to see a little. Just so we can see a little better. Maybe zoom in. Okay. Then we need Click Manager. So right click, create empty, Click Manager, and we want the script for this. So add component. We can add a box collider first. Box collider 2D. This is fine for now. And add component again. And we say click manager, new script, create and add. Open it up. Okay, we don't need the start here. Just say if input get mouse button down. I want to use the left mouse button, that's 0. Then we can have a mouse pause. So here is the mouse position, and we want the vector 2 mouse pause 2D. Okay, so we need a vector 2 instead when we're working in 2D. So this is just to get the camera, and then we can access the X and the Y. Okay, so we need a raycast, and this will be 2D as well. Okay, so we have a raycast there with the mouse pause 2D and direction vector 2.0. So if hit dot collider is not equal to null, we can test this out if this works. Debug.log working. Save and go back to Unity. Okay, open up your console and hit play. If you click on the tree, you are working. If you click here, nothing. Okay, so this is working. Now we want to tag for the tree. So go to the tree, add tag. I call this tree. Go back to tree. Add the tag tree. Okay, so now when we got the tag, we can go back to Visual Studio. So instead of this, we can say if hit.collider is .gameObject, sorry, .tag is equal to tree. We need a tree script as well. So go back to Unity again. On the tree, add what? This is wrong, sorry. I want to remove the. Why is this on? Okay, sorry. go to tree and add a box glider first. Yeah, okay, this is fine for now. And we want a script. Tree, yeah, tree. New script. And open this up. Okay, so we want to make an instance so we can access this from our other script. So we start off by saying public static tree instance. And then we just want to see, oh, we need to have a awake. But in here, we want to just say if the instance is not here, we want it to be here, otherwise destroy. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this for now. This and this is just so we can easily access this script from our other script. So we don't need this start. We want we need a log prefab, so public game object log prefab. I want the health on the tree, maybe how many times you can cut the tree without before it's becoming a log. So you can just call this health for now, and we need to access the trees animator. We call this anim. Okay, so what do we need? Maybe we just want the tree to shake a little bit when we hit it and then taking damage. So we can set up two functions here. So public void shake here, animate shake later. The other public void take damage. Also here health minus minus. Oh, we can make it shake when we hit it. And if health is less or equal to 0, we want to have the log. So instantiate. Sorry, something wrong with my Visual Studio. Destroy the tree. Okay, so we need to open up our Click Manager here. Okay, so when we hit the tree, we want the tree to lose health. Just say tree, that was the instance here we made to access this easy. Then you need to say instance but take damage. Simple as that. We need a log. So let's go back to Unity. Don't forget to save. Drag in my log. Oh, big log. I will resize this. Okay, something like that. And we don't need a script for this, I think. Make a folder here instead, prefabs. Drag the log here. Delete it up here. So now we have the prefab. We can check the tree here. We can set the health. And we can have the log prefab. we need an anim, so let's make that. Open up your animation. If you don't have it open, window, animation, animation. Okay, great. Make a new folder in your assets, animation, and tree. Okay, we can just make an idle animation first. You don't need to use anything for now. Or we can just... Okay, if you want it to move, you can animate this like the wind take it or something. But I will create one more. And this will go shake. Okay, so in the shake, maybe just... We can just rotate this. So hit the red button here and go to 5. Up here, we can make like this. On 10th, like this. And copy these two here. Control C, then Control V. So press the red button again. Play, maybe too fast. No. Okay, this will do for now. It's pretty ugly, but this will work, so you can see what happens. Okay, so if you open up your animator window, animation, animator, we can make a trigger here. If you go to layers, parameters, plus trigger, shake, right click on idle, select this line and shake. Okay, this doesn't need an exit time. Can make this 0.1. And when we go back, we want the exit time to be there. So when this is done, the animation, it will go back to idle animation. Okay, now you can select your tree and project. If you go to animations here, oh, you can make it here instead. Just drag this here. But if you go to animation, tree, and the shake, we don't want this to loop, so deselect this. Then we need to we can just test if this works now. So hit play. Yeah, I clicked 3 times and the log's here, but we can make the log fly out, so it looks better. So go to your scripts. And in the tree, we want to shake the tree. So anim.set. Why doesn't this work? So set trigger, shake. Okay, so this is done. We just want the log animation. Okay. Go back to Unity. Go to your prefabs. Select your log. So go, then hit animation. Oh, sorry. It's a prefab, we need to open it. I just double click here, animation. We can create, we create this. So in assets, animation, call this log. This is just start. So when we instantiate the log, we can just make it fly a bit. So hit the red record button here, and if you press W, you can move it up and right, 10 up and right, 15 right and down, 20 right and down. So this, if you hit the record button here, go to project, animation, log, and take away the loop here as well. So now I think this is finished. Let's try this out. Hit play. 1, shaky, shaky. Yeah. You can make better graphics and more logs flying out if you want that. I hope you learned something today. Please like the video and maybe consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I see you. Bye.